Hey everyone, welcome back to VidHacks, where we help you master the art of YouTube. In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube analytics and how to use it to understand your channel's performance metrics. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how your channel is performing and how you can improve it. So, let's dive in. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide you with insights into your channel's performance. It allows you to see how your videos are performing, who your audience is, and how they're interacting with your content. Let's take a closer look at some of the key metrics you'll find in YouTube Analytics. Number 1, Views. This metric tells you how many times your videos have been viewed. This is an important metric because it shows you how many people are watching your content. Number 2, Watch Time. This metric tells you how much time people are spending watching your videos. This is a key metric because it shows you how engaging your content is. Number 3, Audience Retention. This metric tells you how long people are watching your videos. This is important because it shows you where people are dropping off, and how you can improve your content to keep people engaged. Number 4, Demographics. This metric tells you about your audience, such as their age, gender, and location. This is important because it helps you understand who your audience is and how you can create content that resonates with them. Number 5, Traffic Sources. This metric tells you where your viewers are coming from, such as search, suggested videos, or social media. This is important because it helps you understand how people are finding your content and where you should focus your promotion efforts. Now that we've covered the key metrics, let's talk about how to use them to grow your channel. One of the best ways to use YouTube Analytics is to analyze your top performing videos. Look at the metrics for those videos and see what you can learn. For example, if you notice that your top performing videos have a high audience retention rate, try to replicate that in your future videos. Another way to use YouTube Analytics is to understand your audience. Use the demographics data to create content that appeals to your specific audience. For example, if you notice that most of your viewers are in the 18 to 24 age range, you can create content that speaks directly to that demographic. Finally, use YouTube Analytics to track your progress over time. Set goals for yourself and monitor your metrics to see how you're progressing. This will help you identify areas where you need to improve and help you stay motivated. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding your channel's performance metrics. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks on how to master the art of YouTube. See you in the next one.